Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a certified 2020 Yamaha MT-09. This standard style sport bike has just under 2,200 miles on it and is in mint condition. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. This bike is in mint condition, no signs of any tip over or lay down damage. Front tires in excellent condition, plenty of miles left on that. And the only thing that's aftermarket on this bike is the tank pad and the knee grips. Otherwise, the rest of the bike is stock. Rear tire on it looks brand new. And again, tank pad and knee grips. Only aftermarket item on it so far. $21.36 is what's on it. This 2020 Yamaha MT-09 is a certified motorcycle, which means it will be going through our 53-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.